To refill an HP toner cartridge W1510A Black, you will need a toner refill kit specifically designed for this model. Here are the general steps to refill the cartridge. 1. Make sure you have a compatible toner refill kit for HP W1510A Black cartridge. 2. Locate the fill hole on the cartridge. This is usually on the side or top of the cartridge. 3. Use the tools provided in the refill kit to open the fill hole. 4. Carefully pour the toner powder into the cartridge through the fill hole. Be cautious not to spill any toner powder. 5. Once the cartridge is filled with toner, seal the fill hole using the provided plug or tape. 6. Gently shake the cartridge to evenly distribute the toner powder inside. 7. Install the cartridge back into your printer and run a few test prints to ensure proper functioning. It's important to follow the instructions provided with your specific toner refill kit, as different kits may have slightly different procedures. Refilling toner cartridges can be messy and may void your printer's warranty, so proceed with caution.
没关系，看到房子漂亮，没错，应该强调哪个中，哪个风道，也没知道。